Hi guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Arash and welcome back to one of my crypto wiki analyses. This week we're gonna go and talk about the BTC condition. Is it still in an uptrend or the price gonna drop? If it's gonna drop, in which level gonna drop, or if it's in an uptrend, so which levels it's going to hit, then drop. Let's figure it out. Hi guys, it's very nice to having you back here. And so the first thing first, I don't want to make this video very long, so very key events and short. The first thing which I wanted to talk about is the BTC spot ETF net flows. Okay guys, and let's have a check, few details, then we will come on a main discussions. So if we go back in the two past years, guys, if you could remember the drop price which it's happened at 7th of April 2025, which BTC price was about $74,000, then we had an uptrend to 1025k. Okay, in those around, if you see guys, so the before that, the BTC ETF outflows was very massive than inflows. You can see guys, see, in one day just we had minus $18 million, minus $13 million, minus $15 million. Okay, each day. And this is, I'm sorry, this is minus 18,000 BTC. If we count it in USD dollar, how much gonna be? I'll tell you right now. So in one day it is more than, oh, it's massive. I told you it's a massive number. In one day we had about $1,075,100 just in one day, and 1,300,000, I don't know, 1 billion, even, I don't know, $1,200,000, $200 million. So you can see very obviously the outflows was very massive than inflows. Okay, so the thing is that with the outflow and inflows, so when the ETF outflows going to be very massive than inflows, that means the real investors, which they invest, as you could see, billions on a ETF spot, BTC ETF spots, those are the people always are ahead. They knows about the policies, they knows about economics, they knows about technicals, they knows about every single things which is happening around the world, because they are the people which runs the market, basically the forex market, the crypto market, the stock market, those things. Okay, so always they are a step ahead, and those candles, those indicators, those whatever we can see, those are a shadow of those people's steps, you know. Just so we can see the shadow, then make a plan what hell to do, right? So we're just going to analyze those. So as you could see, the outflows was very massive than inflows. The price at the time was about $78, $77, $74,000. Okay, those are not the exact numbers, but I know the exact numbers I'm telling you. So there is two ways: or the outflow is gonna be so much and the price gonna head down, or we will have like very small inflows, very small outflows, very small inflows, very small outflows, which is the market condition is unknown, so nobody knows. Then the price will just range, will make some considerations. Okay, consolidations. In that case, the price will just range like a 5 or 6,000 up down, but nothing will happen. The point is that, so once the price stopped outflows, massive outflows. Then the lowest price here was about 76,000. Then very smoothly we had, we could see like more inflows rather than outflows. So the red one is outflow, the green was inflow. So look at this. Since, for example, 21st of April 2025, we had start seeing inflows. 100 million, 800 million, a billion, and this ways, okay? Even here we can see 958 millions. So the point is that with this, which I'm telling you, we had seen with the outflow the price was dropping, with the inflow the price was hiking, spiking, okay? The point is that this recently we could see the outflows again in 2026. It's so much more than inflows, which we had seen the price from, for example, $95,000, it dropped to even $62,000 just a few months ago, 5th of February 2026. Okay, I'm telling you, listen to this. So can you see the outflows is so much more than inflows? Then again here we had not too much inflow, not too much outflow. Then price was ranging between 64k to almost 75k. Okay, then again just was playing, right? But just recently, if you see from here, for example, from the bottom of the price in that time, you can see the outflows was almost nothing. Again was nothing, but the inflow was about 300 million a day, 400 million a day, 170 millions a day, and even here 472 million a day. Okay, and if we go on let's talk about this. So because I'm using the Glassnode, there's many other platforms. It shows very clear and very better actually. Still I'm paying for the Glassnode. I pay about $120 per month and 1,000 blah blah per year. I'm paying for this, but I'm just giving the details for you guys for free, just to help me subscribe the channel and let us the channel grow and more people could use it. Thank you so much. So the thing is that this recently still we had seen inflows more than outflows. Okay, and at the time the price from 65 was hiking and going upward to even 78,000, which was $81,000. We see it on the chart. So see, the point is that an inflows this recently is very massive than outflows. So this makes me think the BTC price, so most likely it is going to follow which happened on after 7th of April. After drop we had a massive uptrend. So we had seen the BTC price even around $59,000. So we had seen our bottoms, and then this is the time to see the upturns trend. But this is this is not the end. I'll give you my opinion at the end of the video, but let's talk about something else, then we will go on that one. If I go on a BTC and if I could find the total supply held by long-term holders, this is those kind of investors which invest in the long term, like more than 155 days. Okay, below 155 days is the short terms and above is the long terms. So if I go in the past 2 years again, guys, pay attention to this. It's the same scenario. It's the same shadow. Okay. Here we had the price about $100,000. Then the 7th of April 2005 happened. We had the price massively drop to 76k. Then the point is this, guys. Can you see this? Those yellows are the long-term investors, which they were massively selling their assets. Then at the time they were selling, the price was dropping. See, even the price from $100,000, it has hit 78k, okay, which the real price was about 74k. Then once they start buying, can you see here this corner? Once they start buying, the price start going uptrend again, and the same thing again happened. And the point with that is this: in 2026 again, once from here they start selling, the price, the BTC price from $124,000 start dropping to the even $59,000. Okay, the point is that, guys, listen to this. Then again, it's that simple. Just, you have to be aware of the details, then you will not fall on a trap. So the thing is that, again, once the BTC hit $62,000, which the real price was $59,000, then those long-term investors again start buying assets. They start accumulating again. And once they started, the BTC price again was rallying up, which is now about 80k BTC at the time which I'm talking to you. Is 25th of April. I'm sorry, I'm just a bit confused. It's late of night. So we are at 25th of April, and the BTC price with the long-term investors at the time they are accumulating, the BTC price is moving. Okay, this is the thing with the on-chain details. Let's go on a technical for a second, then you will notice what I'm saying. To me, obviously, the BTC price has got the potential to move forward to between 85k to maybe 94k. Okay, then once the BTC price reaches this point, this POI, point of interest, then I can give you guys my new opinion about the BTC price and condition of the market. But at the time, I'm just telling you, I expect the BTC price will hit 85 to 94k. Then the BTC price might fall. The reason I'm telling you the BTC price might fall is few things, guys. Let's go on another index, which is accumulation trend score. This accumulation trend score will calculate the average of the investors, are they interested to buy or not. Once they are interested to buy, it means that the crypto market is trustable and there is no warrants, and you can invest your money on a crypto market. But once this number is very low, that means the price is going towards some targets, maybe to fill some gaps, CME gaps, then it will drop. So the thing where it makes me suspicious about the market condition about right now at the moment is the accumulation trend score, guys. This accumulation trend score at least needs to be more than half to be trustable. But unfortunately, it's been a couple of months, even this haven't seen half of the one, you know. This once is 0, that means very bad condition. Once is 1, that means it is in a good condition. In a couple of past months, so we can see 0, non-zero, 0, non-zero, 0, non-zero, 0, non-zero, and this recently it becomes to non-0.34, which is still not fine. So those are the things which makes me feel a bit suspicious about the market, and do not think really this is going upward to the make a ATH again. And those are the things, guys. I don't want to make this video very long, so there is many other things which I would love to talk about and make you guys aware of those. And probably I'll try to make the video on a weekdays and then post it. And real quick, I just tell you what is it about. So one of the other things which makes me very concerned about it, guys, is the BTC dominance. Which the BTC dominance, when once it's hiking again and spiking again, rising in an uptrend, that means the altcoins are not going to see a massive results at the moment, you know. But it doesn't mean altcoin doesn't grow, but it does mean we do not have the altcoins at the moment, you know. But I'm gonna talk about this later on. I don't want to make the video long, so those are the things which I'm going to talk about the next week. Why BTC still is very dangerous, it's very risky, and why I'm telling it's gonna reach those areas, then gonna drop. So there's a few things we're gonna talk about it. If you watched the video until now, please subscribe the channel and leave a comment, because my channel is a bit dead, because it was Persian channel, then I turned it to the English channel. That's made my channel to lost. The YouTube algorithm cannot find my channel properly, so I need your subscribe and I need your comment to just, you know, get reactive my account. Thank you so much. Hope this video could be helpful, and I'll see you soon.